Now we're going to do some formatting. First of all, here our scroll bar, we have to be sure that it's not maximum value of 101, but it's 91, because we have a page of 10. So this is already going to 110 if I'm going to click the last time. So I have to stop at 91. Second, I'm going to check this graph that I created before here, and I'm going to show the axis. Once I see the axis, I'm going to click on this, format axis, and I click on categories in reverse order, because I was creating here products in the reverse order. Okay, second, we're going to do the same for our part here. Select this axis again, reverse order. Then I'm going to select this. We already have this one. I'm going to select this second series here. Okay, format axis. Now the minimum is 0.5 and the maximum is 10.5. Okay, so I'm centering this. Okay, click on OK. Then now I'm going to remove the axis of this. Okay, so we have exactly like before. Okay, now we're going to check. Okay, here we see that now we have centered our target KPIs. Okay, and the first one here is related to product 1, the second to product 2, etc. And here we have the target value. So we already formatted this. Then the second thing we're going to do is the following. I'm going to insert here, okay, 2 columns. Here I'm going to make it small, this one. Here I'm going to copy this value. Okay, so this one was what we wanted. I'm going to copy it here. Okay, gonna drag this down, and here we're gonna cancel this. Okay, so that we are going to create basically this, and here I'm gonna click on, I'm gonna move it this. Okay, we can also keep it there. Basically we're going to home, merge and center. Okay, it's also for this. I select this, click on F4, and I get the same to this. I'm gonna select another column, insert, column width, let's say it's 8, and the same is for this. I didn't have to move this one. Okay, so here you understand what we're going to do. So now you can do the same exercise, format and keep only the charts on this column, the values in this column, and here we're going to input basically the trend. Okay, I will show you this. The trend is the following. This one now is equal to calculations, and it's KPI 1, this one, like this. Okay, then we're going to select this. Conditional formatting, we're going to new rule, format based on this. Okay, icon sets, screen when the value is greater or equal to 2, yellow is when it's this 1. Okay, this one, manage rules, here this edit rule, and this is greater than 0. Okay, so here we are 0, and okay, so we have some red and some green, but I don't want this one. I'm going to edit rule, show icon only. Okay, here we are. So we have these icons now. So now we formatted this and this, and we have our chart, and we're going to do the same for the next ones, and I will show you that in the next video.